This is my gear shift lever for KTM 390 Adventure. As you can see, it is very small, and it actually hurts my leg if I'm not wearing a shoe, and even if I'm wearing a shoe, it actually damages the shoe. Uh, the main reason for me is like if I'm wearing slippers or any slip-ons, I'm not able to shift easily. So I have got this, which is Pro Taper, uh, which I got it from a store nearby. I don't know how's the quality, need to use it and then we'll provide a review on the same. um, I have got microfiber cloth and